When my love takes me home, it's 105 to 30 miles zone. Foot like lead, nerves like steel. Wild ride when it's taking the wheel.
The countercrop, easy to use, all-in-one smart home garden. Use the remote to turn on and set your unit to germinate. Countercrop will set the lights and watering to the correct schedule to grow your first crop. Add your favorite seeds to the 50 dirt-free growing pods. Pre-mix your plant food and add water to the reservoir. Periodically check the water level to see if you need to add any extra water or plant food. And that's all there is to it. Anyone can use it to grow lots of great tasting vegetables and herbs right on their own kitchen counter. You can grow all sorts of veggies and herbs in your countercrop. We recommend starting with really easy things like lettuce, kale, basil, or mint. You can also try plants like mini tomatoes, beets, or radishes. Depending on what you choose to plant, your countercrop can grow a surprising amount of food. You can grow several different crops at the same time and harvest a bit at a time. The plants you harvest will start to grow new leaves right away, so you can get several meals from each plant. Do something fun and share with your loved ones. It's never been more rewarding to grow your own food at home, and Countercrop has made it easier than ever to do that right in your own kitchen.
And here it is, the final prototype and test model. And as you can see, it's already growing beautiful spinach, chilies, thyme and basil. Let me tell you a little bit more about this innovative indoor garden, so you too can grow all kinds of fresh, tasty and nutritious herbs and salad greens directly from your kitchen garden. For starters, HerbieQ spins for easy pickings. It operates on low voltage power and has adjustable LED grow lighting to maximize indoor growth. It delivers precise amounts of water and nutrient automatically to each plant several times per day for up to 15 days. HerbieQ has 4 large removable pots to grow up to 8 herbs, salad greens, Chinese vegetables and lots more. It's all done by innovative design and simple push button control. Another cute feature of HerbieQ is it doubles as an elegant night light for entertaining at home. HerbieQ is ready for manufacture and we would like your support to help us make enough of them so everyone can taste the difference of fresh food and a fantastic low price. So here's the deal. In order to get Herbicube produced, we need at least 500 of you to come on board right now, all at once. With 500 pre-orders, we can afford to get the tools made and meet the minimum production quantities. So, pre-order your Herbicube now, and remember, ask your family and friends to pre-order too, so we can produce this amazing compact indoor organic garden for all to enjoy. We look forward to delivering to you the world's most advanced indoor organic garden. Thank you so much.
Say hello to O-Garden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. O-Garden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, O-Garden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. O-Garden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. O-Garden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, O-Garden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe O-Garden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.